Hi, welcome to this video. Trello custom fields enable users to add structured data, such as dates, numbers, checkboxes, and drop-down lists, to cards, allowing teams to track specific metrics beyond standard Trello functionality. This power-up brings crucial information to the front of cards at a glance visibility. If you want to access it, all you gotta do is, it's available on Trello Standard, Premium, and Enterprise plans. But for advanced needs, you can use power-ups like amazing fields. So go ahead and click the switch icon here and hit add power-ups, right? And then just search for amazing fields, right? And download it. If you want to read a little bit to know exactly the features and everything, you can take your time here, right? And you can see any examples here. Create and style fields the way you want, right? Basically, you can also add visible fields like to projects, progress, etc. Right? Yeah, and you can add maximum of 50 custom fields per board with up to 50 options per drop-down menu. But let's talk about features, basically. The power-up or power-ups like amazing fields, they have drop-down lists, ideal for status updates, priority levels, or SKUs, right? Numbers, used for tracking story points, prices, or inventory. Dates, suitable for milestones, project start or end dates, or deadlines. Checkboxes, used to indicate approvals or specific quick check considerations. Lastly, text fields, designed for specific information like emails, phone numbers, or references. So custom field, if you want to know how to use it, custom field can be displayed directly on the front of the card, right? Reducing the need to click into cards for details. You can create rules based on custom field value, such as moving a card to a different list when a drop down is set to blocked, or calculating total story point. You can also, custom fields allow for tracking metrics in detail. And in business or enterprise plans, these fields can be exported via CSV for external reporting. Users also can search and filter boards to locate specific cards based on information entered in custom fields. So, yeah, basically that's how you use Trello custom fields. You can find it in the free option, up to 50 boards per list. And basically you can use for advanced, for people who looking for advanced fields, you can use amazing fields power up. So consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.